In this video, we will see two different methods to download videos from Submagic, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. I will not waste any time showing the initial steps of using Submagic, so if you don't know these steps, check out my other videos, I will link them in the description. Now let's see the first method. After you log into Submagic, you can see this page where all of your projects are visible. On the right-hand side of each video, you will be able to see this small download icon. You can simply click on this icon, and your video will get downloaded. This method will be useful when you want to download multiple videos at once. As you can see, the video has been downloaded. Now let's see the second method. Sometimes what happens is, you cannot see this download icon in front of some videos. If this happens to you, then simply click on this edit icon that looks like a pencil here. Your project will open up. Click here on this export option. You will see a pop-up with two options: export with changes or download the existing video. If you made any changes to your video, then you can select the first option, export with changes. But as I did not make any changes, I will select download the existing video. As you can see, the video has been successfully downloaded. One more important thing is, if you don't have a paid plan of Submagic, then these videos will contain a watermark. To remove this watermark, I will tell you a coupon code that gets you a 10% discount. Click here on the home icon, go to pricing, select any plan according to your needs, click pay now. On the left-hand side, there is an option to add a promotion code. Enter WB Explainer in all caps and apply. You will get a 10% discount. If you want a detailed video on how to use Submagic, then check out this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.